We have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to, and we assume that he was brought here last night after the planing. That's all I can say as of the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he is in a hospital somewhere, but not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated to any of you?
None.
Zero, sir.
We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now. He doesn't have any. He doesn't even have his medicines with him.
Pero doon po siya sa ambulance sumakay.
Sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records doon sa kanya, and sabi he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital, but hanggang ngayon nakakalungkot ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next step? What are the plans?
We are going back to the ICC and ask them where he is right now, because a family member is waiting here to see him.
Yes. How is the Vice President?
Well, she's waiting.
Okay.
And I would assume the president would want to see one of the members of this family at this
So,
point
Sec,
in time.
the Vice President wants to see him. Is there a schedule for her visit now?
That's what we are arranging, but we're at a loss where he is right now.
Okay. So, how about you, sir? Alis muna pa ba kayo?
Alis ako dito. Pinapalabas nga kami.
Oh. Oh my God.
Anong gusto nila gawin? Standby ako dito, yung lamig-lamig.
Ano po yung response nila sa inyo nung nag-request po kayo for a visit?
Wala. Ayan. Wala daw, request for a visit dito. Wala daw, ano dito. Walang preso by the name of President Rodrigo.
Hindi yan totoo.